Hey guys, it's your girl Gems and I'm back with another vlog. So today marks my official start, the official day. Wait, what am I saying? Today marks the first day of the official week of my vacation because Cape exams are over. So I get to go to the beach and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go to the beach and I'm going to take you guys with me because why not? Today I'm not going to go to the beach by myself because that would be kind of lame. I'm going to go with my BFFs, Kez, and she's going to be in my vlog. And we're going to have a very wonderful time together. And yeah, so let's get going. So I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this cover up. It's a dress. Oops. It's a dress. Yeah. Let me show you guys the back. And I'll show you guys my swimsuit when I get there. Yeah. Bye. Hey guys. So I'm on my way to pick up my friend Kez, as I told you before, and I'm in her gap, so I don't know if we're going to whoopsie. So the road is kind of rocky and I don't know if I'm going to park by her and then walk to the beach, because the beach isn't pretty far from where she lives, because I don't know if I would be able to get parking once I get to the beach. So I might park the car and we could walk, or if she knows where I could get parking, I could find a spot to park the car. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so her gap is pretty small, so I'm just gonna go and turn around and come right back. Yes, your girl can drive. I ain't got far to go, 'cause I spent forever waiting, and it's no longer a dream, and now I made it on my feet, and I ain't got far to go. I ain't playing with you. Guys, I love Jesslyn. I love her I love her music. Then I let you go. I told you I would prove you wrong, and now I'm here and I'm standing strong. I know. Alright guys, so I'm here with my bestie. Hi. Yes, and we're on our way to the beach, and we're taking the path where we would be walking on the beach to get to the beach.
We're gonna walk through several beaches to get to the one we want to go to.
Right. Hi guys. Look at yes, you look like a model. Hey Kez, how are you enjoying today? How was our adventure?
Oh, that was great.
Yes, so we made it to the beach and it's not sunny at all.
Sunny. It actually rained on us for a bit. It's kind of sad. We had a lot of fun getting here though.
Yeah, it was such an adventure.
I hadn't gone through that route since I was a child. It changed so much.
And the thing is that I wasn't able even to vlog it because the waves kept coming and hitting us. So if I vlogged, my camera definitely would have gotten wet, and I don't have a waterproof case. So
You can show them where we came from.
Okay, so we came from behind that house, that rock, those rocks went behind there and passed all the way around.
Yeah, over like 3 sets of rocks. We are adventurous people.
Very. Wait, you can sit it over.
I'm going to attempt to do a cartwheel.
You did it!
Yeah. Okay, you can do it, Gemma. Yay! That was perfect!
Let me walk off my car. Hey guys, so we left the beach because we were kind of hungry. So we're just going back to Kai's house.
It's the safe way this time.
Yeah, guys, look at her puffy natural hair. Look at it. It's so much hair. Oh, so beautiful.
Thanks, Gemma.
And my hair is just straight and wet. Alright guys, so I'm heading home now. I said goodbye to Kaz, had a wonderful, wonderful time. And I'm thinking we're just gonna end the vlog here. And then I'm gonna go home, wash my hair. The seawater completely dried it out. So it's super, super dry. I'm gonna do a deep conditioner on my hair, guys. I'm thinking about using the rice water for my hair today. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, so yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you want more, and I'll be very, very happy to make them for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Seriously, boss?
Really? We're trying to film over here.